Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Ford Transit long wheelbase high roof model. I will just take you around the vehicle now. This one has 30,800 miles on the clock. Just taking you around the vehicle now. This does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, satellite navigation, air conditioning, reversing camera, parking sensors, Bluetooth connectivity of course, and inside we've got 3 cloth lined seats. Pop down the middle one just here. We do of course have 2 cup holders and a table / armrest. A further armrest on the side here for the driver. We have a automatic gearbox. Air conditioning can be controlled on the bottom of the screen along with everything else above. Cruise control and hands-free cooling on the steering wheel. And just showing you into the back as well, we do have a ply-lined lit interior with storage space above the cab as well. If you'd like to find out more about this van, head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk.